The Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 is coming, and it's set to redefine wearable tech, better battery life, next-level health tracking, and a sleek design for fitness fanatics. This could be the smart ring to beat. Stick with GadInsider for the juiciest rumors. You're gonna want to hear this. What's up, GadInsider crew? The Samsung Galaxy Ring just dropped jaws in 2024, but the Galaxy Ring 2 is already stealing the spotlight. Expected to launch soon, it's promising big upgrades for fitness enthusiasts. We've dug into the leaks to bring you the latest on Samsung's next-gen smart ring. Let's jump in. First up, battery life is getting a major glow up. The original Galaxy Ring lasted about 7 days, but leaks suggest the Ring 2 could push past 10 days on a single charge. How? A more efficient chip and optimized power management, all packed into that same slim, lightweight design. Whether you're tracking workouts or sleep, this ring's built to keep up without constant recharging. The Galaxy Ring 2 is doubling down on health tracking. Expect upgraded sensors for more accurate heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep monitoring. Rumors point to new metrics like stress tracking and possibly even non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, a game changer for fitness buffs and health nerds. Samsung's also teasing tighter integration with Galaxy AI, giving you personalized insights like workout recovery, tips, or sleep score breakdowns, all synced to the Samsung Health app. Design-wise, the Ring 2 is sticking to what worked. A minimalist titanium-grade band that's comfy 24/7. Leaks hint at new color options, maybe a bold black matte or a sleek gold, plus improved water resistance for swimmers. The sizing might get more precise, with rumors of half-size options for a perfect fit. At under 3 grams, it's still lighter than most smartwatches, so you'll barely notice it during runs or yoga sessions. The Ring 2 will play nicer with Samsung's ecosystem. Expect seamless pairing with Galaxy phones, watches, and earbuds for a unified experience. Leaks suggest enhanced gesture controls, think double tapping the Ring to answer calls or skip tracks. There's also talk of better compatibility with non-Samsung Android devices, making it a stronger rival to the Aura Ring. And yes, it'll still work without a subscription, unlike some competitors. Why is this exciting? The Galaxy Ring 2 is shaping up to be the ultimate fitness companion, blending style, stamina, and cutting-edge health tech. With longer battery life and smarter metrics, it's perfect for anyone serious about wellness. But can Samsung outshine Aura or Fitbit? We're hyped to see how it stacks up. If you're buzzing for the Galaxy Ring 2, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more wearable tech leaks.